You will never become profitable trading gold unless you understand this about liquidity. So when price is trending to the upside and it's leaving behind inefficiencies in price on the 4-hour chart, price likes to come back and mitigate these levels as a form of liquidity. You see, when we have such a trending environment and we have momentum on our side, price likes to be efficient before it continues to take new highs, like so. So how to capitalize on these moves? When every time the 4-hour chart impulses and breaks structure, leaving behind a 4-hour gap, we wait for price to come back and mitigate these gaps on the 4-hour time frame before jumping down to the 15-minute time frame for our entry model, trading away from these gaps and in the same direction as the higher time frame. You see, gold doesn't tend to take liquidity as deep as indices do. It has a nature of its own. However, price still likes to remain efficient, and where we have momentum on our side, that typically is the best area that we want to get involved in.
18 months ago, I couldn't pass a single prop firm challenge. Now, I'm a funded trader. Here's how. Step 1. I got the Pips Gravity Mastermind trading plan. Link in bio. Step 2. I mastered market structure so I knew exactly when to buy and sell. Step 3. I learned liquidity traps and fair value gaps so I could trade with the banks, not against them. Step 4. I used their entry and trade management system to protect profits and grow my account. If you're tired of starting over, stop trading blind. Pips Gravity is your shortcut to funded trader status.